Hello, today we are looking at 9 best WordPress themes for bloggers. All these bloggers' themes mentioned are picked by experts based on the rating, high number of sales, and awesome features. Number 9. Tiny Salt. Home chefs or professional cooks, it does not matter, start a personal food blog with Tiny Salt now. This neat and resourceful alternative has amazing features and functions to start online quickly. You don't have to do anything from scratch. Even though Tiny Salt works great out of the box, you can also style it with the drag and drop technique. Number 8. Veen. Veen is a personal blog WordPress theme with no trouble differentiating you from the masses. It is clean and minimal, with just the right amount of creativity. Veen's design is perfect for reading compelling content on a laptop or smartphone. After all, the layout is also mobile-friendly and fast-loading for a killer performance. You get 11 custom widgets, minified code, Discuss and Facebook comments, a setup wizard and lazy loading. Number 7. Applique. Quality WordPress themes such as Applique promise to enhance the overall quality of your page, making it easier to attract a large number of customers. Applique's setup process is very intuitive and user-friendly. You can benefit from a fully functional page with some amazing demo content in just 5 minutes. The theme has an affiliate meta box and several dedicated advertising spaces. Number 6. Nerebro. Nerebro might be a creative and multipurpose theme by default, but we can comfortably call it a WordPress theme for personal blogs, too. It even has several pre-designed demos you can use out of the box. They are clean, smooth and straightforward, ready to push your content and advertise it to the online space. Making Nerebro your own is advisable and easily achievable. Create a compelling blog, start telling your stories and showcase visuals in an attention-grabbing way. Number 5. Pofo. Pofo is a potent platform for crafting engaging and modern websites. This theme excels at presenting your content in an unforgettable, unique style. It's ideal for creatives focused on differentiating their brand from the crowd. Pofo's exclusive custom layouts and visual effects will make your competition out of date. Number 4. Total. Total is an engaging and easy-to-use WordPress theme perfect for any blog. It offers powerful tools for building articulated, polished websites that easily display your vision to a massive online audience. Fast-loading and lightweight, Total is suitable for high performance under all conditions. Additionally, Total is outfitted with premium quality plugins integrated into the theme. Total provides multiple dedicated live demo websites and creative page templates for all sorts of specific and niche market blogs. Number 3. Johannes. With help from Johannes, a personal blog WordPress theme, you can kick things off immediately and have an active page running swiftly. The pre-designed layouts and all the other components assure your blog's quick and successful launch. Number 2. Art. Art is an impactful WordPress theme for various objectives, including building a personal blog. Consider Art if you want a tool that does not follow the traditional website look. Thanks to its creative and distinct look, you will easily stand out. Still, even though Art looks spectacular, you can fully customize it with your signature touch. You can start building your website by importing the sample of your choice with a single click. From then on, you have the complete freedom to make the outcome that suits your liking. Number 1. Echo. If you are in the process of hammering out a personal blog, you better not miss checking out the all-around Echo. This tool is all set and ready to go for building the most compelling online presence. You must invest little time to start on the web with a first-class blog with many predefined samples and components. It does not matter what niche or industry you want to dive in, Echo makes it happen. Finally, thanks for watching this collection of the best WordPress themes for bloggers.